Dear friends, title of today's story is Lazy Dog and Arduous Donkey. Let's start the story. Once upon a time in a quaint little village, there lived a lazy dog named Duke and a hard-working donkey named Dilly. Duke loved nothing more than to lie under the shade of a big oak tree, daydreaming and napping the days away. Dilly, on the other hand, was always busy, helping the villagers carry heavy loads and plowing the fields. One sunny morning, as Duke was lazily stretching under his favorite oak tree, Dilly trotted by, carrying a stack of hay on his back. Seeing Duke lounging as usual, Dilly sighed and said, "Duke, why don't you ever help with the work? The villagers would appreciate it, and you might find it rewarding." Duke yawned and replied, "Why should I work when I can rest? Working is too tiring, Dilly. I'd rather nap and dream." Dilly shook his head and continued on his way. The villagers loved Dilly for his tireless efforts and often rewarded him with the sweetest carrots and the juiciest apples. Duke, however, didn't care much for these rewards, as he preferred the comfort of his naps. One day Duke yawned and asked Dilly, "Oh, Dilly, I'm just not cut out for hard work like you. But I can help you in other ways. Maybe I can guard the hay while you rest, and we can share the rewards?" Dilly, being kind-hearted, agreed, thinking Duke was finally willing to contribute. As days passed, Duke's excuses became more creative. When Dilly brought back a basket of fresh vegetables, Duke would say, "Dilly, let me inspect those to make sure they're safe to eat, and then proceed to eat the best ones." When the villagers gave Dilly the sweetest carrots, Duke would suggest, "We should share those, Dilly, because we are a team, right?" However, Duke had no intention of working. Instead, he napped while Dilly continued to labor. Dilly, who valued friendship and fairness, reluctantly agreed, hoping Duke would eventually change his ways. But Duke continued to find clever excuses to avoid work and still share the rewards. One sunny morning, as Duke was lazily stretching under his favorite oak tree, he noticed the sun was shining too brightly, making it difficult for him to nap. He squinted up at the sky and sighed. Just then, Dilly walked by, carrying a heavy load of vegetables. "Dilly," Duke called out, "the sun is hindering my sleep. Let's build a house together so we can rest comfortably in the shade." Dilly, always willing to help and share, agreed. "That's a great idea, Duke. A house would be good for both of us." They set to work, but as soon as they started, Duke began making excuses. "I need to rest a bit before we begin," he said. "I'll gather my strength and then help you." Dilly nodded and began to work, hoping Duke would join him soon. As Dilly hammered and sawed, Duke occasionally giving instructions. "Make sure the roof is sturdy, Dilly," Duke would say, yawning. "And don't forget to make it cozy inside." Days passed, and Dilly worked tirelessly to build the house, while Duke continued to nap and make excuses. "My paws are sore," Duke would say. "I'll help more tomorrow." Finally, the house was completed. Dilly stood back and admired their new home, feeling proud of his hard work. He called out to Duke, who was lying in the sun nearby. "Duke, the house is finished. Come inside and see." Duke, feeling sleepy as usual, replied, "I'll come in later, Dilly. Right now, I need to rest." That evening, dark clouds began to gather in the sky. The wind picked up, and a terrible storm began to brew. Dilly rushed into the house for shelter, but Duke, too lazy to move, decided to stay where he was, thinking the storm would pass quickly. The storm grew fiercer, and soon heavy rain began to pour. The ground turned to mud, and the river near the village started to overflow. Dilly called out from the house, "Duke, come inside. It's not safe out there." But Duke, feeling too sleepy and comfortable in his spot, ignored the warnings. As the rain continued to pour, the flood waters began to rise. Dilly watched in horror from the window as the water swept through the village. Suddenly, a huge wave of water rushed towards Duke, washing him away before he even had a chance to react. The flood carried him far from the village, and Duke realized too late that his laziness had put him in grave danger. Dilly, safe and dry in the house, felt sad for his friend Duke, who had been swept away by the flood. When the storm finally passed, the village was left to clean up the mess. The villagers helped Dilly search for Duke, but it took a long time before they found him, bedraggled and tired, stuck in a muddy ditch far from the village. Duke, realizing the consequences of his laziness, apologized to Dilly and the villagers. "I should have helped build the house and taken shelter when you told me, Dilly. I was too lazy, and it cost me dearly." Dilly forgave Duke, and the villagers helped him back to the village. Duke learned a valuable lesson that day. Hard work and listening to good advice are important for safety and well being. From then on, Duke made sure to contribute to the village and never ignored a friend's warning again. He still enjoyed his naps, but he balanced them with hard work and helping others. If you liked the story, please like, share and subscribe us. We are coming soon with more exciting and educational stories. Stay with us like this.